Hi, boys and girls. I am so excited to tell you about this week's project that we're going to be working on. We're going to be working together to make an ABC class book. Now, normally you would be making your own alphabet books in school, but since things are a little bit different this year and we don't really have the time for it, we decided it would be best if we all just make one page and make one really nice KA class book instead. So the first thing that you need to do is to read the chart and figure out which letter that I assigned you. Each person will be responsible for one letter. And I'm sorry you don't get to choose. I already assigned you one. Even Mrs. Rudolph and I have one to do. Then, after you figured out which letter you have, you need to print out the page that looks like this. And then it's time to start working. You're going to brainstorm all of the things that you can think of that are words that start with your letter. So let's say you got the letter B. What starts with the sound B? Blueberry, bouncing, ball. I see Mira in the background. After you have some ideas of what you're going to write about, then I want you to pick maybe 3 that are your favorites. That way you can focus on just those 3. And it's time to start working on your paper. Let me flip over to that screen so I can walk you through it. Up at the top, you're going to start by writing your name up here where it says bye. Please take your time, and I suggest using a pencil. That way you can erase your mistakes if you make any. We want to do our absolute best work. You might even do a practice one and then do another one if you're not super happy with your first try. Then here in this box, you're going to be printing the capital and lowercase letter of the one that you were assigned. So I'm going to pretend that I got B. Make it nice and big so we can see it in our book. Take your time. Make it as nice as you can. Hopefully, yours will look really beautiful in there. If you want to get creative and rainbow color that, I would be okay with that too. Then you're going to go down to the lines at the bottom of the page, and you're going to start your sentence with your letter. We're using B, so we'll start with a capital B. Sentences always start with a capital letter. And use finger spaces. B is, finger space, 4. Now after I have my letter and the words is and 4, then I'm going to start listing all of the words that I thought of that started with my letter sound. You can put commas in between them. We know we use commas when we're writing lists. And don't forget to put your end mark at the end. Once you have your sentence written beautifully, I bet you can guess what you'll do in this big open space up here. That's right, make a beautiful illustration. Make sure you color it in and add lots of details. If you're drawing 3 different things, I should see pictures of all 3 of those things. Now, once you have that part done, you get to do 2 more things, which is have your mom or dad help you take a picture of your work. And once you have a picture of your work, you're going to send that to me along with a video of you reading what you wrote. It should be a horizontal video, which means it should look like this, like the video you're watching right now. And I should be able to see you holding up your paper. You should say, "Hi, my name is Miss Campbell-Maher," and then read your sentence that you wrote. I'm going to take all of those videos and put it into one longer video that's going to be a part of the book, so it'll be really cool. I cannot wait for you guys to do this project. I hope you have a lot of fun with it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!